Want to make money in the comfort of your own home? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these methods are proven to work. 1. Start a blog or website. If you have a passion for a certain topic, why not turn that into a profitable venture by starting a blog or website? Monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing, and watch your income grow as your audience grows. 2. Sell products or services. Setting up an e-commerce store or selling products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon is a great way to turn your creativity into cash. 3. Offer freelance services. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork offer a platform for you to offer your skills as a freelancer. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or marketer, there's a demand for your services. 4. Participate in online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and you can earn money by participating in online surveys. 5. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrency, or other online investment opportunities. With the right strategy and some research, you can make a significant return on your investment. 6. Teach or tutor online. Share your knowledge and experience by teaching or tutoring subjects you're knowledgeable in through online platforms. 7. Create and sell online courses. Everyone loves to learn, and you can turn your expertise into an income stream by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. 8. Buy and sell domain names or websites. If you have an eye for a good opportunity, you can make a profit by buying and selling domain names or websites. 9. Do online jobs. From data entry to virtual assistants, there are countless online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home. 10. Participate in affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. I hope this blog helps you on your journey to financial freedom through making money online. Remember, consistency and hard work are key, so choose a method that you're passionate about and stick with it.